Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Gamers. Today I'm gonna show you how to log out Subway surfers. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the application. Next, you'll see settings option on top right corner. You have to click on that. There you will see play games and Facebook option in which there is disconnect. You have to click on both disconnect option. And again in Facebook you have to click disconnect. And now the Subway surfer is disconnected from both. I hope you find this video very helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.